Hello everyone, welcome. Today we'll see how to install Kaspersky Endpoint security in Linux environment. So today we're going to install Kaspersky Endpoint security in our Ubuntu machine. You can download the softwares from the Kaspersky product page. If you enter into this link, you will get the softwares for Windows and Linux and Mac machines. So here in this case we are going to install Kaspersky Endpoint security for Linux. So from here we will have to download two files. One is the this one, Debian x64 distributive, and the other one is Debian x64 product GUI. So this one is actually the software that will run in our system, and the GUI is to manage the software, to get a graphical user interface for the software. So I have already downloaded these two files inside my downloads directory. You can see these two files. So before installing these two files, we'll have to check the date and time, whether those are correct or not, and also we'll have to ensure that our system is updated. So I'm going to run the update command, sudo apt update -y os box password, and let the update to be completed. So it's almost done. And the update is completed. So now our file is located inside the downloads directory. Let's go into the downloads. ls, these are the two files that we will install. So I will install the GUI file later. First of all, we are going to install this file. So as this is a Debian file, we'll run the command sudo dpkg -i to install this file. So this file is going to be installed. Okay, so now we'll have this script as the root user. So I'm giving the permission, sudo permission, sudo, and then running the file. So here we can see two modes. One is the standalone mode and other one is light agent mode. Light agent mode is for virtual machine. I'm going to use the standalone mode, so I'm giving n, and then the available locals, this one, enter to display the end user license agreement. Okay, and done. I have fully read it. So give y and hit enter. I fully read yes. Yes, I have read it. So I use it to grant the admin role too. So I have a user called os boxes. I'm giving it the admin role. Enter. So now it's going to making some configuration, configuring the update source from where the updates will be taken. So webkl server, that is the server of Kaspersky, and we'll need internet connectivity to get updates from here. And SC server is the server of Kaspersky Security Center. We can specify any of them. In this case, I'm going to specify the first one, which is the Kaspersky server. Proxy server, I'm not going to use any proxy server. I want to download the latest database. Yes, I want to download the latest database. Task in progress. Going to take a few seconds, so let's wait for this task to be completed. So the database update is done. Now it's asking for database schedule updates. I am enabling it. Yes. Activating the application. So if you have purchased the license, you can specify the license key here, or if you want to use the trial edition, just leave it empty and it will take a pre-built trial key. Okay, so now the application installation is done. Now we will install the graphical user interface to interact with the application. Sudo dpkg -i file name, enter. So here we can see front end locked by another process, so the process is locked. Sudo kill the process. Now sudo kill -mine. Let's run it again. Okay, so now we can see some pre-dependencies. This dependency needs to be installed before we install the graphical user interface. So let's install it. Sudo apt install so the dependency is installed successfully. So now let's run the previous command to install the graphical user interface. So it's getting installed. Yeah, it's done. So let's go to our apps, and here we can see Kaspersky Endpoint Security 12.0 for Linux is installed. This is the software. From here you can see the reports, different reports like firewall management, network threat protection, behavior detection, scan task, update, etc. and from the setting you can enable or disable different protection like firewall management, system integrity monitoring. There are web threat protection, device control, removable drive scan, so whenever any USB drive is connected with your computer, that USB device will be scanned automatically. So you can make the settings according to your requirement. So that's all. Thank you.